When viewing the Adverse Childhood Experiences Study video, you were introduced to a variety of data sets that explained the long-term health implications for individuals who have experienced childhood trauma in their life. This particular slide points out the life expectancy data. People with 6 or more ACEs died nearly 20 years earlier on average than those without ACEs. What are you thinking now that you know this data? How would this data impact your perspective around the impact of adverse childhood experiences and trauma itself? Trauma does have long-term implications for students that we serve. The data itself informs us of the realities of what's happening right now, and thus it provides us a chance to take readily at hand what we can and should do every single day for all students we serve in the classroom.